how to add batteries widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 17 series. First, let's go back to your lock screen by pressing on the side button here. And from the lock screen, touch and hold. Then we want to tap on the Customize button down here. After that, you can choose to add it to your top panel or the bottom panel. So tap on it. Then we go down and tap on Batteries. In here, you have a small size widget and a medium size widget. So choose a widget that you want to use. And here, tap on the Close button. Then tap at the top here, and then tap on Done to save the changes. And that's it. Now it will show your battery widget down here. It will give you more information. If you have linked your Apple Watch to your phone or AirPods, it will show other connected devices in here as well. So it's not just showing only the iPhone, but it will also show other connected devices in here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.